Hi, it's Mark Coman from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy. We're being creative a little differently today. This is Isaac on the left and Angela on the right, and they are professional Adobe restorers. So we're out here at Joshua Tree, and many of you helped us by contributing to a fund to rebuild or restore the Ryan Adobe. And we're doing that work today. We're giving back. We're preserving the history of Joshua Tree so people can come and visit and photograph here. It's a beautiful location, and we're doing the work, getting the work done to make it so that it's photographable for everyone. I love what we've done here, and I love bringing you guys out here for the figure workshop, for the star trails and night photography workshops. And all that's going to be possible because we're helping to restore the Ryan Adobe. Do something amazing with your pictures. Get out, photograph, have some fun, and join us when we do these amazing things. Mark Coman from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy. Have an awesome day, and let's make a picture.